What is speed scatter in relation to driving? Speed scatter refers to the variation in vehicle speeds among drivers on a given road rather than all vehicles travelling at a uniform speed. It is a measure of the spread or range of different speeds being driven in a particular traffic flow. Why can speed scatter be dangerous? When there is a large speed scatter, with some vehicles travelling significantly faster or slower than others, it increases the likelihood of collisions due to differences in acceleration, braking, and reaction times. Lower speed scatter, where most vehicles travel at similar speeds, promotes smoother traffic flow and reduces the risk of sudden braking or overtaking manoeuvres. Studies show that vehicles travelling significantly slower or faster than the average speed of surrounding traffic are at a higher risk of being involved in a crash. A high degree of speed scatter leads to more lane changes, tailgating, and risky overtaking as drivers attempt to adjust to the flow. Impact on road design and speed limits. Road engineers study speed scatter to determine appropriate speed limits and whether enforcement measures, for example, speed cameras, variable speed zones, are needed. Roads with consistently high speed scatter may require improved signage, lane adjustments, or better road markings to encourage uniform speeds. Influencing factors. Speed limits and driver compliance. If a speed limit is too low or high compared to the natural speed flow, drivers will travel at varying speeds, increasing scatter. Road conditions. Poor road surfaces, intersections, or curves can cause some drivers to slow down while other drivers continue at higher speeds. Traffic composition. Heavy vehicles, inexperienced drivers, or varying levels of risk-taking behaviour contribute to speed variations. Let's take a look at some examples of speed scatter in real-world driving situations. Low speed scatter. A well-managed highway where most vehicles travel between 95 and 105 km per hour in a 100 km per hour zone. High speed scatter. A rural road where some vehicles travel at 120 km per hour while others at 80 km per hour, and some slow down to 60 km per hour before overtaking. How drivers can manage speed scatter safely. Drive at a speed that matches the general traffic flow within legal speed limits. Maintain a safe following distance to allow reaction time for varying speeds. Avoid unnecessary lane changes and aggressive driving behaviours. Adjust speed based on road conditions such as weather, visibility, traffic density. Managing speed scatter is crucial for road safety as it helps reduce conflicts between vehicles and minimises crash risks.